Konnichiwa, Ian des. Let's learn some English. So today, we're looking at the rooms of the house.
Rooms of the house.
家の部屋、家の部屋。
So we'll start outside the house. So here is a house. That's some grass. That's a garden. This bit here, that is where the car goes. So that is the driveway. Here we have a green front door, some windows, and here is a garage for the car. Now this house only has one floor, it's nothing up here, so it's quite a small house. Here again you can see the driveway and the garden. There we go, front door. This door is at the front. See, it's at the front. There'll also be a door around the back, a back door. But here we've got the green front door. Now it's open and we can go inside. Here's the stairs, upstairs. So there is an upstairs. It must be in the attic, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So there's just a hallway. Here is the kitchen. Everything's this sort of green colour, isn't it? Very nice. Here's the kitchen again. You can see there's an oven. Down here, looks like there's a living room. So here you can sit and relax, watch TV. This is called the living room. Sort of where you live, I guess. You can sit and chat, drink tea, and bring your friends over. But as you see, this one is kitchen and living area together. That's not always. Sometimes there's a wall, but you find this a lot. Next is the bathroom. There's a bath, a sink, and the toilet, which you can't see. I'm in the way. Let me move myself. Okay, now you can see the toilet. There's the toilet, the bath, the sink. And this is the dining room where you dine. So you eat your dinner here. It's always a nice table and chairs and everyone sits down and eats. There's always a special room for eating. Oh, here's another living room. So this is quite a big house. Normally people have one room like this, but this house we've already got two. And again, there's a TV in the corner. You can sit here and relax. So this living room and the dining room are kind of the same. I guess this door goes outside, so it's the back door. It's at the back of the house. Here we are with our first bedroom. There's the bed. There's some cupboards, some wardrobes. Here's another bedroom with just a smaller bed, single bed. This is a double bed for two people. This is for one. What's in here? More beds. Another bedroom, and this one looks like it's in the attic upstairs. So some houses have an empty attic like this, just full of junk. But some people make it a room. That one's looks like it's getting sorted. Here we go. This one is. You can see the roof. Now I'd say they've made a living room here. Some people usually make it a bedroom, and that's what seems to have happened here. the area in the roof, the attic, is a bedroom. And is that a different room? I think that might be another one. Quite a lot of bedrooms here. Here's another, well, there's a shower. It's another bathroom. Sometimes you have the toilet and the bathroom separate. Sometimes it's the same room. It just depends. Some people might have bathroom, toilet together, and then a second two toilets, another toilet on its own. Here's a garage, so you can park the car here or out here in the car park. And this is fancy. This is a garden shed. So most people just have this, you know, a little place to put your bicycle. Maybe it's, you know, made out of metal, but it's usually this. See, put your bicycle inside. But these people have another living room. It looks like a bar, so very nice. And then, I don't know where this is, but they've got a snooker table. Impressive. Does your house have a snooker table? Mine doesn't. Here's a little area outside, out the back door. And that's the back garden. It's very nice. More garden. Yep, there's the back door. So you go back in here and you go inside here. Wow. It's a big garden. Nice bushes and trees. Very nice house. Oh, there's a little shed down there. That must be the bar. Looks quite small from here, but inside it was nice and big. Lots of pictures of the garden. And here's the driveway. So this is the street. Anyone can go here. This is the driveway and the garage. And I think we're back to the start, back to the front door. So that's a pretty impressive house. This one is for sale. It is £395,000. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 living rooms. I think there's more than that. So yeah, very nice. Some people have a cinema in their house. Most people just have a TV, but you can have a cinema room, a private theatre. That's rich people do that. And rich people also have a swimming pool. So that's a very big house has a swimming pool. You're probably in a smaller house or an apartment. You've probably got a balcony, which is this little area. I know these are popular in Japan. Little balcony. Do you have a balcony? Are you in an apartment, or do you live in a very nice house like this? And then we've got the attic. I already told you about the attic, so lots of times it looks like this. Sometimes it's bedrooms. So that's the rooms of the house. Hopefully you found that useful. So what's your favourite room of the house? What's your favourite room of this house? Would you buy this house? Do you like it? Does this look like a house in Japan? Not everyone has a house like this here. This is an expensive, very nice house. But some people have them. So let me know. And of course the website, if you want more articles, more worksheets, more videos, vocabulary lists, it's all there. Sign up, learn English. Arigato. Matane.